For decades, Dell has been a cornerstone of the hardware industry, known for its sturdy laptops, efficient servers, and enterprise-grade systems that powered much of the business world. But in 2025, Dell is stepping into an entirely different league. The company has just raised its growth forecast, and the reason is clear: artificial intelligence. Dell believes that the AI revolution isn't just a passing wave. It's the foundation of the next global technology boom. So what made Dell so confident that it decided to raise its expectations when much of the tech market is still volatile? The answer lies in how deeply AI is reshaping the entire computing landscape, and how Dell has positioned itself right at the heart of it. Over the past year, the demand for AI infrastructure has skyrocketed. Every major tech firm, from startups to Fortune 500s, now needs hardware that can power large-scale AI models, train neural networks, and process massive data loads. And that's where Dell comes in. The company's AI-optimized servers, especially its PowerEdge line, have seen explosive demand. These machines are designed to run NVIDIA GPUs, the chips that have become the beating heart of modern AI computing. Dell isn't just selling boxes, it's selling the backbone of the AI economy. Companies building data centers for AI applications need servers, storage, networking equipment, and power efficiency. And Dell offers all of that in one integrated package. According to its latest financial update, Dell's backlog of AI server orders has reached record levels, stretching well into 2026. In fact, its infrastructure division is growing faster than any other segment of the business. Michael Dell, the company's founder and CEO, recently said that AI represents the next major infrastructure cycle in technology. And if we look at the numbers, he's right. Global spending on AI servers, chips, and cloud infrastructure is projected to exceed $200 billion by 2026. For Dell, even capturing a fraction of that growth means billions in new revenue. Another reason for this surge in confidence is Dell's powerful partnership ecosystem. Its collaboration with NVIDIA, in particular, has become one of the company's biggest strategic advantages. While NVIDIA provides the GPU technology, Dell builds the systems that integrate those chips into enterprise-ready solutions. This partnership allows Dell to sell complete AI systems directly to businesses that want private, secure, and high-performance computing environments. That last point, private AI, is critical. While companies like OpenAI and Google focus on cloud-based AI services, many corporations don't want to run their sensitive AI models on public clouds. They want in-house control for data privacy and security. Dell is capitalizing on that demand by offering AI servers and infrastructure that can run behind corporate firewalls. Essentially, Dell is helping enterprises build their own mini-clouds for AI operations. This is a clever move. For years, Dell's biggest challenge was staying relevant in a world dominated by cloud computing. Amazon, Microsoft, and Google ate into Dell's market share as companies moved workloads online. But now, the pendulum is swinging back. Businesses are realizing that AI workloads are too big, too sensitive, and too expensive to run entirely in the cloud. They need hybrid models, and that's where Dell shines. By combining traditional infrastructure expertise with cutting-edge AI systems, Dell has turned what used to be a weakness, its focus on hardware, into its biggest strength. Financially, the results are already visible. In its most recent quarterly earnings, Dell reported that its infrastructure division, mainly servers and storage, grew nearly 20% year over year. AI-related revenue was a major driver. Investors took notice, and Dell's stock jumped following the announcement. Analysts now predict Dell could be one of the fastest-growing hardware companies over the next 2 years. driven by AI demand rather than personal computers. Another key part of Dell's strategy is its AI factory concept, an end-to-end system that helps companies deploy AI at scale. Think of it as an assembly line for data intelligence. Dell provides everything from the servers to the software to help organizations train and deploy AI models efficiently. This factory approach gives Dell recurring revenue opportunities as companies return for upgrades, maintenance, and software integration. What makes Dell's current position unique is how it balances innovation with stability. While other tech firms chase the spotlight with consumer-facing AI tools, Dell is building the invisible infrastructure that makes those tools possible. Every time you use an AI-powered app or service, chances are part of its training or storage happened on Dell hardware somewhere in a data center. Of course, the road ahead isn't without challenges. The competition is fierce. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, Lenovo, and Supermicro are all aggressively targeting the same AI infrastructure market. Supply chain pressures, especially for GPUs, also remain a concern. NVIDIA chips are in such high demand that companies often wait months for shipments. Dell's success depends heavily on maintaining reliable supply lines and strategic partnerships. But Dell has something that many newer competitors lack: scale, trust, and brand recognition. Its decades-long relationships with enterprise customers give it an edge. Businesses that already rely on Dell for servers and storage are more likely to choose Dell for their AI transformation as well. Beyond the hardware, Dell is also expanding its software and services footprint. The company's AI management software helps businesses monitor workloads, optimize performance, and manage energy usage. This matters because AI data centers consume enormous amounts of electricity, and efficiency is becoming a competitive advantage. Dell is betting that sustainability and energy optimization will be as critical to AI as raw computing power. And while Dell's focus remains largely on enterprise, the company is also preparing for the next wave: AI-powered PCs. These new computers will use AI chips from Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm to deliver real-time translation, image editing, and personal assistance features, all running locally without relying on the cloud. It's Dell's way of ensuring AI reaches not just data centers, but also the devices people use every day. In the end, Dell's raised forecast isn't just about short-term profit. It's about long-term positioning. The company is aligning itself with one of the biggest technological shifts of our lifetime. It's betting that AI will become as essential to business infrastructure as electricity and the internet once were. So, while the headlines may focus on flashy AI startups or billion-dollar chip makers, Dell is quietly building the foundation underneath them all. It's selling the servers, the systems, and the support that make the AI revolution possible. And in every technology wave, the quiet builders, the ones who supply the tools, often end up winning the longest game. Dell understands that. It's not trying to be the flashiest name in AI. It's trying to be the most indispensable. That's why it's raising its forecast, and why its biggest growth chapter may be just beginning.